Hey guys, welcome back to my crochet channel. As you know that the winter season is on, so I am bringing to you some of the spiral knitting designs. These designs are for socks, scarf and gloves. You can make anything from this design once you learn how to knit this design. I do share some of the spiral knitting pattern at the end of this video. So what are you waiting for? Grab your knitting needles and make these amazing spiral knitting patterns for you. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a like, and if you want to stay tuned to my channel, do press the subscribe button and bell button. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe.